Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hanifatul Wahda, student number 55. In these occasions, I would like to explain and answer several questions. For the first questions is about terminological triangle process based on terminological triangle diagram. And the triangle of meaning, let's just talk about it first. Based on the picture, there are a concept and there are object in the other side and there are term in the other side. Concept and term are connected to an object. With object, we mean any material. This could be a handphone like the one in the pictures. With concept, we mean a notion or idea that represents the object in our mind. When we hear the word handphone, we can think that it is a one-place handheld phone that includes battery power and may be used without any peripheral power or antenna. And about the terms means how I call the object in the particular language. For example, the object in the picture in German it called handy, and in the United States it called cellular phone or cell phone, and in the United States it called mobile. And the next question is about historical immigration of English language. There are pictures about it, which showed there are three primary groups that migrated: the Angles, Saxons, and Jutes in the first Germanic people that crossed the North Sea in a wooden boats and settled in the country of Kent. They were the Jutes from Denmark. After them came the Angles, who populated the eastern and northern part of the island, which kingdoms formed Northumbria and Mercia. The Saxon streams occupied the southern of the land. Together, they created the Anglo-Saxon England. So according to the pictures, as you can see, the line which has color yellow is about transmigrations of Angles to the Northumbria, and about the blue line is Jutes in Wessex, and the red line is the Saxons in East Anglia. And the last question is about how does historical development of English dictionaries. There are so many ways about it. For the first, number one is in Old English period. It is a closest of religious books with translations from Latin. And number two is the 50th century is about regular bilingual English Latin dictionary. And number three in 1604, a table alphabetical containing and teaching the third writing and understanding a hard usual English word borrowed from the Hebrew, Greek, Latin, and French. It based on Robert Cowdery. And number four in 1721 about the Universal Etymological Dictionary. And number five in 1775, it is about Explanatory Dictionary by Samuel Johnson, which has a 3-point. For the first point is words were illustrated by example from English literature, and the point number two is pronunciations was not included, and number three is helped to preserve the English spelling in its conservative form. And the number six in 1780, First Pronouncing Dictionary by Thomas Sheridan. And number seven in 1791, it's about the Critical Pronouncing Dictionary and Expositor of the English by John Walker. And number eight is in 1798. It's about a school dictionary by Samuel Johnson Jr. And number nine in 1828 about American Dictionary of the English Language by Noah Webster, which has a 2-point, include attempts to simplify the spelling and pronunciation, and the other point is provided definitions, etymology, explanations about things named. Number 10 is in 1858 until 1928. It's about a new English dictionary and include 20 volumes, include all words existing in the language. And number 11 in 1895 is about Funk and Wagnall's New Standard Dictionary. And number 12 in 1911, it's about the contents of Oxford Dictionary of Current English, containing the only word of current usage. And number 13 is about Oxford English Dictionary that we all already know about it. It includes spelling, pronunciations, detailing etymologies and quotations, and also a sorter. They are a kind of sorted Oxford Dictionary, number 2 volumes, small number of quotations, and then number 14 in 1967 is about a Random House Dictionary of the English Language. There are a point of that. For the first is about number of dictionary entries, and the second is about selections of header words, and the last is arrangement and the content of the vocabulary entry. And the next is a number 16. 15 in 1968, 69. It's about the American Heritage Dictionary of the English Language, the first dictionary to use corpus linguistics. And the next is a number 16. Since the 16th century, the title dictionary has been used for an increasingly wider range of reference works, from alphabetic but also thematic, general but also specialized, monolingual but also bilingual, and multilingual, polyglot, and from historical to pedagogical dictionary. And the last number 17, at the same time, there has been a tendency for other terms to be used as designations for more specialized dictionary genres. For example, like thesaurus, encyclopedia, and also terminology. And that's all my explanations about those